With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, a man of mass 50 kg starts moving on the earth and acquire a speed of 1.8 meters per second. With what speed does the earth recoil? Mass of earth equals 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. So in this question we need to apply what? Conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum. Can conservation of momentum be applied on this situation? Yes, it can be applied because no external force is acting on the system. Therefore, conservation of momentum can be applied for this situation. So, we know that m1 v1 equals m2 v2. Mass of man is 50 kg. Velocity of man is 1.8 meters per second. Mass of earth is 6.24 kg, 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg into v2 is the recoil velocity of the earth. Okay. So, from solving this we will get 6.3. This comes out to be 15 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 meters per second equals V2. So this is what? The recoil velocity of the earth. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.